Hi, I'm Henrik from ISTI. People have asked us how Bildy could be used in campaigns and rich media applications. So we created this Holla cloud, which is a demo to show you just that. This is basically a messaging board where people can drop a line and then it takes a picture from the webcam. So if I would do one, it would look like this. So, hello, and then a message. There, well, that's a nice picture. And post it, and boom, there it is. So this is all Flash that takes care of showing the messages and sends the messages to the server. And then we have Bildy working on the background that saves the messages to a database and provides all the information back to Flash. So this is what the Flash looks like, and here's what we've done in Bildy. First, we created a few data models. The message data model that contains the message information, message and picture fields, and then two data models that has only the name that we can assign templates to. So our content currently looks like this. We have message folder that contains all the messages. Okay. Then we have a get message page that provides the XML to Flash. And that looks like this. Looks like this. So we have messages tag, and inside that we have all the individual messages. We have some ID and stuff like that. So to save new messages, then we have this post message page that looks like a form, and Flash posts to this URL all the messages, and this then handles the saving to the database. So let's look at the templates. We have the get message. This code creates the XML. So we have the messages tag. Then we use b tag to get all the messages in the order that they're created. And for each message, we create a tag that contains the text and picture and some other information. To save a new message, this is all it takes. So we use this bform tag, which is really handy for this kind of things. Now, if I would be a Flash developer and I would need to create one new field, let's say we would like to add sender name or something like that. So I would go building and to the message. Let's say I'll open one from here. And then I would open an edit mode. And we wanted that sender field. I'll add that. Let's say it's a sender. Oops. There. Exit the edit mode. And to save that information, I'll put this tag here. Save that. And that field now comes to this form. And now when I post in the sender variable the information from Flash, it will be saved to the database. So this is how you put Bildy working behind a RIA application or campaign. So you need a data model that holds the information, some code that exports the information for Flash, and if you want to save data, then you need some form to put that in the database. And as you can see, there's no PHP. All these work on B tags, and this is something that Flash developers can do on their own, and programmers can spend their time doing something else. So you can get all the Flash files and template source files from here. Thanks for your time. Drop us a line.